Hey, listen, do not invest based on what I say, because I don't want anybody then hating on my video like, oh, you suck, this stock dropped. No, listen, do your damn research and then be a man about it. If you pick it and then if you buy it and if it sucks, it goes down, that's on you, bro. What up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Before I get started, on my last video that I released, at the very end, which I know a lot of people don't watch till the very end, I left a little message and I said, hey, if you made it out to this point of the video, thank you. That lets me know that you watched my video all the way till the end. Please drop me the following comments in the comment section and I will put your message, we'll give you a shout out basically in the next video. So there are two people that actually watched the video to the end, and that is my boy Scott Smith, and he said Boston Louie's back. That was the key phrase, and he said, I'm glad you're here. This shitty market won't last forever. If you have convictions, hold on to what you have. Thanks for posting. You know what I'm saying? Scott's been there from the very start, always watching my videos, so shout out to Scott Smith. Thank you. Next one is Brandon M. Brandon also said the key phrase, Boston Louie's back. And he said, if it weren't for trading in Novio back in 2020, I wouldn't have the success I have today in investing. So thank you, Brandon. Thank you, Scott. Now let's move on with the rest of the video. Okay, so the title of the video might be a little bit weird to some of you guys, because I just want to let you know up front that these two stocks, even though they pay really great dividends and they've been consistent, they carry quite a bit of risk. Okay, and I'm going to give you just a quick overview. I can go into details, and there's plenty of videos about each individual one, and they go into detail, so you can definitely look them up on YouTube. But let me just give you a starting point, if you will. Again, this is not advice, this is just me giving you an idea. First one is Camping World Holdings, ticker symbol CWH. Okay, now this is the chart. Let's go back to the 5 years. Let's look at the 5-year chart, I should say. Look at that. So it did come down quite a bit. Obviously, the current situation we were in last year and the year before really helped us stock out. Now let me show you the dividend history for this company. And here we go. Now don't mind all the ads. I got to kind of put up with them. But as you can see, they've been very consistent. Okay, very, very consistent since like 2016. At least that's how far this thing goes back. And they do have an annual dividend of $2.50, which is pretty healthy, 7.86% yield. So that's still pretty healthy. Now I'm going to give you just some quick facts about this company so you can make up your mind. Camping World Holdings paid out just 7.2% of its profit last year, which it is very conservatively low and leaves plenty of margin for unexpected circumstances. Dividends were well covered by free cash flow, with the company paying out 6.8% of its cash flow last year. Camping World Holding has delivered on average a 44% per year annual dividend increase in its dividend based on the past 5 years of dividend payments. So that's pretty good. Camping World Holdings earnings per share have plummeted though. Here's the bad part, 69% a year in the previous 5 years. But maybe they could be turning things around. So basically, like in a nutshell, it's not good to see this type of earnings, constantly falling. But the good thing is their dividend has plenty of buffer before they actually need to do something drastically like cutting it back or eliminating it for a while. So that's why I think this is a pretty good one. But again, based on the falling, earnings, that's why it makes it very risky. Okay, so just quick thing on that one. Again, forgive the mic if it sucks, if you can't hear me that well, but it's a cheap old mic. My next one, and this is my favorite one because a lot of people hate on this one all over the internet, and that is, damn it, hold on, I gotta refresh this because they want me to sign up, which I don't. Okay, so this is Icahn Enterprises, ticker symbol IEP. Now let's look at the last 5 years on this one, and bam, son. So again, it has been falling. Not too bad. I've seen worse, but not great either. Okay, now let's look at their dividend. Okay, here's the history. As you can see, it's got a lot of history, and it's been increased pretty much consistently. So Right now, it is paying an annual dividend of $8 or 14.57. Again, this 14.57 dividend yield fluctuates based on the price. So anyways, that's that. So a little bit about this company. Icahn Enterprises is a master limited partnership. So you need to understand that MLPs are a little bit different because it's more taxable than others. But anyways, they invest in energy, real estate, and automotive sectors, among others. The company recently declared a $2 per unit distribution. That is actually what, you know, MLPs, it's like a dividend per share, but it's a dividend per unit. It's a weird way, like wording, whatever. Anyways, that's what it means. So it's usually about like a 16% yield, again, depending on the price of the stock. That's what it'll equate to. And as you can see, Icahn Enterprises dividend is not very safe at the moment, and the reason for that is because obviously it is a very high dividend, so that is very hard to maintain, you know, in the long run. But they've been saying that for a very long time, and they still keep paying it out. So that's what scares me too, which is a good thing, you would think, right? Yeah, people are doubting this company, people keep saying it's gonna stop, but I mean, they're still paying it. So, but do your research, damn it. Now, with Icahn and financials that can't afford the distribution, you have to consider the possibility that the distribution will be cut. And here's a picture showing you that distribution. So again, they have not great earnings. It's been in the negatives for quite some time. It is not unusual for Icahn Enterprises. Since 2016, net income has been positive only twice. That's what I keep telling you guys. It's very hard for this company to keep it up, but they've been doing it, so that's interesting and scary at the same time. Icahn Enterprises began paying a distribution in 2005. It cut its distribution in 2011 and then eliminated it until 2013. But since then, there have been no reductions and 4 increases. So why am I optimistic about this one, guys? Well, because, you know, profit is expected to more than double. Well, yes, it'll be kind of still in the negative. But the other reason why I'm optimistic about this one, here's a picture of the S&P versus Icahn Enterprises from 2000 till basically today. And it has beaten the S&P by quite a lot on certain occasions. So maybe a strategy would be to wait till it spikes up quite a bit and then sell out of it, or keep it. You know, it's up to you. So there's a lot of negative on the internet about this company, right? A lot of negativity. And yes, I do agree that the dividend is very high and it's very hard to sustain that. But somehow this company has been doing it for quite some time, although they did cut it back and eliminate it for a while. But in the most recent years, it hasn't been cut back or eliminated. So, you know, I don't know. That's why, hey, listen, do not invest based on what I say, because I don't want anybody then hating on my video like, oh, you suck, this stock dropped. No, listen, do your damn research and then be a man about it. If you pick it and then if you buy it and if it sucks, it goes down, that's on you, bro. I'm just giving you an idea. Do not buy it. Just do your damn research. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. That's what Louie does ever. I'm never going to suggest another stock purchase for you guys. I'm just going to suggest ideas for you to look at stocks, because then people come crying back to me saying, Louie sucks. But hey, hit that dislike button if you don't like me. That's cool, because it doesn't break my heart. Hit the like button and give me a nice comment if you do like me. There's more haters than lovers out there, I guess. But, you know, hopefully you're a lover, not a hater. You know, I'm a fighter, not a lover or a hater. I'm a fighter, and I'm going to keep fighting. So anyways, that's that. I hope you like this quirky ass video. If you did, hit the like button. Please subscribe if you're brand new, and I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.